Do you also have problem with your Sunbeam Mini Barista? It's just running when you just turn it on. Now the problem is this BTA137X. You can purchase one of these from J-Car if you're in Australia. If not, you can buy it online as well. They're cheaper online, but if you want to buy locally, it's about $5. Now let's have a look how to open it. First of all, you take the bottom part out, and then from bottom you go to the side and to the top. Now the way it works is you will see the circuit board is actually behind, so you have to unplug a bunch of different connectors and then take it out. So there are two screws that holds the rear plate with the bottom one, so that's why you have to open the bottom one, and the side plate that holds the wire. There's an outlet for wire, so yeah, that's pretty much also tied with 4 screws. So you got to remove all of them. So once that's done, then you go to the top level where you have 4 as well, the 2 of them on the side panel, and then the 2 actually are on the upside down of the machine. There are 2 at the back and 2 on the top. So yeah, don't just try pulling it out because it's gonna break the machine screws. So see, there one here and one on the left. Just take them out. And this is where the top plate is. So you have to turn the machine upside down to have a look at it. Okay, all you need is a soldering iron. If you don't have one, please go get one cheap one. It'll be the best investment you'll ever do. So just remove the 3 connectors using a desoldering wick, and then after that just solder back in. So this is the new one already in. I just quickly installed it. You can see the wiring diagrams and everything. Now let's see if it works. I just turn it on. Yep, there you see the light. If the light doesn't turn on and it keeps draining, means there's a problem with your machine. Thank you.